What is the simulation hypothesis? What if everything you see, touch, and experience right now isn't truly base reality? What if the universe itself is more like a highly advanced computer program, and we are characters living inside it? This idea is known as the simulation hypothesis, and while it may sound like science fiction, it has been seriously discussed by philosophers, scientists, and tech leaders. The simulation hypothesis suggests that reality as we experience it could be an artificial simulation, likely created by an advanced civilization. The most famous modern version of this idea was proposed in 2003 by philosopher Nick Bostrom. He argued that if a civilization becomes technologically advanced enough, it could run extremely detailed simulations of entire universes, including conscious beings. If such simulations are possible and common, then statistically, it might be more likely that we are inside one of them rather than living in the original, base reality. One reason this idea gained attention is the rapid progress of technology. Just a few decades ago, video games were made of simple pixels. Today, we have hyper-realistic graphics, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence that can mimic human behavior. If technological growth continues, future civilizations might be able to simulate entire worlds with incredible precision. From that perspective, our own universe could be the result of such a process. Supporters of the simulation hypothesis also point to strange features of reality. For example, the universe appears to run on mathematical laws, much like computer code. Space and time seem to be quantized at the smallest scales, similar to pixels and frames in a digital system. Even the speed of light acting as a universal limit has been compared to a kind of processing cap. However, there are strong criticisms as well. There is currently no direct evidence that we live in a simulation. Some scientists argue that the hypothesis cannot be tested, making it more philosophical than scientific. Others point out the enormous energy and computational power required to simulate an entire universe, questioning whether it would even be practical. Ultimately, the simulation hypothesis forces us to rethink what reality means. If we are in a simulation, does that make our lives less real? Most philosophers argue no. Our emotions, choices, and experiences would still matter, regardless of the nature of the universe behind them. Whether true or not, the simulation hypothesis remains one of the most fascinating ideas of our time, sitting at the intersection of science, philosophy, and imagination.